Compensation is defined as money given for a job done, to pay someone for money lost due to injury or sickness, and to repay someone for equipment or resources they bought. If you're injured or sick, you should keep track of all your receipts, write down dates, times, and names of doctors you visited, keep track of any evidence you have of the injury, keep track of the date you experienced an event or the injury when it became apparent, and also keep track of any changes you have in your condition. Often, you will need to pay out of pocket for medical expenses if the clinic or hospital does not directly bill your insurer. However, you can submit receipts for medical expenses to your insurer afterwards. RAMA can help you submit these receipts or with translating if you need it. If your injury arose from your work or your working conditions, you can file a claim with Worksafe BC. However, it is important to file a claim as soon as the incident arises as is possible. RAMA can help you file a claim with Worksafe BC if you require help. To do that, you will need to see a physician as soon as you can after your accident, and that physician also is required to fill out a form. The contact information for yourself and your employer, the date of your injury and how it occurred, information on who you reported your injury to, your employer, healthcare providers for example, what if any days of shifts you've missed from work, names and phone numbers of your healthcare providers, your social insurance number, your personal health number if you have one, and if you miss any time from work, you'll also need to keep track of your earnings from your most recent pay stub in the past 12 months. If you're worried about unsafe conditions at work, but you're concerned that your employer might fire you or retaliate against you for speaking about those conditions at the farm, you can also report to Workers BC anonymously. For information on how to do this, you can contact RAMA. Always remember that if you need to see a doctor who speaks a specific language or require a translator, you can contact RAMA to figure out the options you have. If you have any other questions or concerns, contact RAMA. We'll give you more information.